take her finger where she.
Well, the process is going on very well, quite peaceful, you know, but we believe that we could do better than is currently happening, so we are mobilizing more people to come out. The place is not as it used to be. The truth is that a lot of people did not come home. Probably, you know, some of them are busy with their economic activities and work and all that. You know, if it's general election, you know, people tend to come home in groups, right? But as it stands now, it appears that the turnout is not exactly as it usually is during the general elections. But it's quite reasonable here. I know a lot of people were scared by the threat of violence, particularly from the PDP elements in this place, in the whole of Akoko Edo. And we assured our people that they cannot do whatever they are threatening to do. You know, I think a lot of people listen to us, but a few persons must have, you know, been scared of, you know, the threat and all of that. But it's unfortunate that elements like the ones we have in PDP in Akoko Edo do exist in our politics today, that believe that it is only through violence that they can achieve their political objectives. It's very, very unfortunate.
Officer, sorry, officer.
Who is there? Please, leave that place.